This is an emergency alert from the SCP Foundation. An anomaly has successfully escaped from its containment, and we have limited information about what it turned into yet. We will be constantly updating you in due time, and we urge everyone to remain safe outside. This is an urgent broadcast from the Republic of the SCP Foundation. We are receiving numerous reports of robots disappearing after they were abandoned from laboratories, factories, and various other establishments. As a precautionary measure, we urge everyone to remain vigilant and report any suspicious activities or sightings of robots to the local authorities immediately. Collaborating with law enforcement agencies will help in investigating the matter and ensuring the safety of the public. We will continue to provide updates on this issue as it unfolds, and we urge everyone to stay informed and be part of the solution. This is an emergency broadcast from the SCP Foundation, announcing some recent changes in the situation. We have received some unexpected updates about the current circumstances. An anomaly known as SCP-666, the Masked Dark Wraith, has recently been spotted by a teenager in a residential neighborhood. This peculiar creature is the one unleashing the robots and causing them to vanish without a trace. We have gathered a significant amount of information about SCP-666. SCP-666 is a Euclid-class entity that can frequently be observed in various airport settings, subway stations, fast food restaurants, schools, movie theaters, playgrounds, and many more public places. This enigmatic creature has an appearance that appears to be an average 6-year-old child. Adorned with vitiligo skin, a mask covering its shadowy and mysterious face, a colorful goth attire with a dark purple cloak draped over its large, shadowy arms, and the signature bat-wing parts hidden under its cape and hood. It also sports long white hair that almost touched the floor, and large silver eyes with vampire fangs. However, the creature has a distinct advantage for children and teenagers who willingly approach it, allowing them to remove the mask to see its mysterious face without experiencing any harm. Moreover, we discovered that SCP-666 is remarkably docile in these environments where it is observed, and its hostility towards adults is truly horrifying. Even adults attempting to remove its mask to better view its face end up suffering gruesome casualties. If you find yourself in such a situation, do not interfere with the interaction between the child and the creature. Just allow them to continue to interact as they wish, as this may only trigger the creature's violence. If you are a teenager who encounters SCP-666 in your neighborhood, do not hesitate to take a photograph of it, as the creature seems to thrive on attention. While we still don't fully understand what SCP-666's capabilities or intentions are, we must remain vigilant and ready to address any further developments that may emerge. An urgent broadcast from the SCP Foundation, the pioneers of psychological projects. SCP-666 remains an impossible-to-handle situation due to its extraordinary intellectual abilities, incredible speed, and remarkable strength and agility. The SCP Foundation has taken note of the growing frustration with the containment of such an extraordinary entity, which could have far-reaching consequences. However, and here comes the critical part, SCP-666 has no interest in attacking the facility staff or causing harm to anyone. It's not part of its DNA or the nature of its existence. The Foundation, as always with their extraordinary work, recognizes the importance of preventing harm and ensuring the safety of everyone involved. They have decided to cancel the mission to recontain SCP-666 while continuing to closely monitor its behavior with security cameras and other surveillance measures. Of course, personal safety and the well-being of all those involved remain the Foundation's top priority. Stay safe, everyone. This is the emergency broadcast from the SCP Foundation, with significant additional information added to it. This message will be silenced for adults only. Children and teens have access to the non-silenced version of this message as we have disturbing, yet interesting updates about SCP-666. Emergency, please rush to the sound broadcasting station. I must inform you all that we are receiving critical and disturbing news concerning the SCP Foundation's SCP-666. It has become evident that SCP-666 has shown its true, monstrous self in a city. It was disguised as a seemingly ordinary citizen and presented no human characteristics at all. Furthermore, the creature is not satisfied with the adults, and it is on the verge of going on a terrifying rampage. The true form of SCP-666 is a colossal 8 feet tall female, resembling an adult woman in appearance, adorned with metallic antlers, spider-like tendrils on its back, and other horrifying features. We also have reports of robots sporting shadowy masks active in isolated areas, which is the same pattern as the robots that mysteriously vanished a few weeks ago. I urge everyone to immediately take shelter as our situation grows increasingly dire. Until this terrifying rampage is resolved, may we all pray for safety and hope for better times ahead. This is an emergency broadcast from the SCP Foundation on behalf of the entire community. We would like to inform you about a recent development regarding SCP-666, despite the massive destruction and chaos it created. SCP-666 has managed to calm down and is no longer in a state of rampage. As a result of this event, there have been a significant number of houses destroyed, with many more damaged beyond repair. Thousands of citizens have lost their homes and are now facing homelessness. Furthermore, it has been discovered that SCP-666 has employed its masked bots to repair the damage it has caused. These robots have been sent in to assist in the rebuilding process, ensuring that the affected areas are restored to their former glory. If you find yourself in need of repairs for your damaged house, don't hesitate to let a masked bot assist you. We will continue to provide you with updates from the SCP Foundation. ensuring that you stay informed and safe as the situation unfolds. Stay tuned and stay safe.